Hi. Hi, everybody. My hair looking a little messy, but that's okay. That's okay. Hi, Ray. I know you're watching this. We're doing Game of Thrones season 3, episode 8. Yeah, you get it right. Okay, they rescued her and they left.
What was she doing?
She was fighting a bear. She got tore up. He got toe up. He got his dick cut off. Like, they cut his dick off. Like, you can't tell me they didn't, because they did. Shay got mad at Tyrion. Oh, and we saw Khaleesi with her dragons, and they threatened people. They threatened a city so they can have their stuff. Yeah. I hope we see what happens with Khaleesi in the next episode.
And now for our feature presentation.
Is it on?
It is.
Arya. That's her name, right? Her fingernails dirty.
I'll give you one try, girl. Kill me and you're free. But if I live, I'll break both your hands. Go on, hit me.
Girl, don't even try. He's not gonna die.
Talk all you want. Truth is, you're lucky. You don't want to be alone out here, girl. Someone worse than me would find you.
There's no one worse than you.
You never knew my brother. He once killed a man for snoring.
Is that the Blackwater?
The Blackwater? Where do you think I'm taking you?
Back to King's Landing? To Joffrey and the Queen?
Fuck Joffrey. Fuck the Queen. That's the Red Fork. I'm taking you to the twins.
But why?
Because your mother and brother will be there. And they'll pay me for you.
Why would they be at the twins?
Those outlaws you love so much never told you. The whole countryside's yapping about it. Your uncle's marrying one of the Frey girls. So quit trying to bash my skull in. We might just make it there in time for the wedding.
Aww. Oh, she looks like Mary from the Jesus movie.
Cannot be trusted. Trusted to kill you if they're well paid.
Allow me to present the captains of the Second Sons. Miro Bravos. Randall Negezin. And
Dario Naharis. You're the mother of dragons. I swear I fucked you once in a pleasure house in Leeds.
Mind your tongue.
Why? I didn't mind hers. She licked my ass like she was born to do it.
Ew! That was nasty as fuck.
Bring wine.
We have no slaves here.
She wanted to laugh.
You'll all be slaves after the battle.
She's gonna bring out a character.
She was?
I mean, it looked like
Miro's
she
land,
was.
and I may give you my second sons.
Ride with me and you'll never need another contract. You'll have gold and castles and lordships of your choosing when I take back the Seven Kingdoms.
You have no ships, you have no siege weapons, you have no cavalry.
A fortnight ago I had no army. A year ago I had no dragons. You have 2 days to decide.
Show me your cunt. I want to see if it's worth fighting.
She don't give a
You seem
fuck.
to be enjoying my wine. Perhaps you'd like a flagon to help you ponder.
Only a flagon. And what are my brothers in arms to drink?
A barrel, then.
Good. The Titan's bastard does not drink alone. In the Second Sons, we share everything. After the battle, maybe we'll all share you. I'll come looking for you when this is over.
Ah!
Sir Barristan, if it comes to battle, kill that one first.
Gladly, Your Grace.
Period. Did he cheat on his wife or something? Yeah, he did.
Half Robert, half Lowborn.
Show the boy to his chambers. Have the maids draw him a bath and find him some decent clothes. I'll come visit you soon.
Okay. She's nice for doing that for him, okay? Because he's scared.
Have you ever slaughtered a lamb, my king?
No.
If the lamb sees the knife, she panics. Her panic seeps into her meat, darkens it, fouls the flavor.
You've slaughtered many lambs.
And none have seen the blade.
But is there a difference between
You're a
human
bastard
sacrifice?
if you don't have another. If you don't have like both parents.
We're at war. Why should I spare the son of some tavern slut Robert bedded one drunken night?
Because he has your blood in his veins.
3 coins. Coin from Marine. Coin from Volantis. A coin from Bravos. The Bravosi does the deed.
Do you hear me? Follow my voice. I'm right here. You have something for me? Lala Mugulis.
The songs there.
You look very handsome, my lord.
Oh, yes. The husband of your dreams. You do look glorious.
She mad.
My lady, I want you to know, I didn't ask for this.
I hope I will not disappoint you, my lord.
No, don't. You don't have to speak to me as a prisoner anymore. You won't be a prisoner after today. You'll be my wife.
Oh, but you know the song, The Rains of Castamere.
Of course. They play it so often here at court.
So Lord Rain built a castle as grand as Castle Rock. He gave his wife diamonds larger than any my mother ever wore. And finally, one day, he rebelled against my father. Do you know where House Rain is now?
Gone.
Gone. A gentle word. Not say slaughtered. Every man, woman, and child put to the sword. I remember seeing their bodies hanging high above the gates of Casterly Rock. My father let them rot up there all summer. It was a long summer. And now the rains sweep o'er their halls, and not a soul to hear. If you ever call me sister again, I'll have you strangled in your sleep.
What are you doing?
Your father's gone. As the father of the realm, it is my duty to give you away to your husband.
Are you married to the cable too? You have one of those?
Well, what?
One of these cables?
Mm-hmm.
Where? Not on you?
I'm not on. Well, no, mine's in the car.
Could you?
That's me. I would have smacked him upside his head.
That's good. That's really good.
Where do you think it's from?
Couldn't even guess.
Doesn't matter, does it? It's the real thing or it's not. You only need a tongue to tell the difference. Go on, have some more.
There's a power inside you can't even begin to understand. And he brought me here to draw it from you and birth it into the world.
She trying to have another demon baby. Is that a goblin?
The god is real, or he's not. You only need eyes to see.
Whoa, she's into BDSM. She gonna rape him?
Get it away!
She gonna kill him?
Get it off me!
Don't fight, don't fight. It won't take much.
Why are you doing this?
What is that?
There's power in the blood of kings.
Those,
so much blood.
those are leeches?
No. No. Not there! Not there!
You can blame Sir Davos. He didn't believe in the power of king's blood.
You seem rather drunk.
Rather less than I planned to be.
Isn't it a man's duty to be drunk at his own wedding?
This isn't about your wedding. Renly Baratheon had a wedding. Your wife needs a child, a Lannister child, as soon as possible.
And?
If you're going to give her one, you need to perform.
What did you once call me? A drunken little lust-filled beast.
More than once.
There you have it. Nothing to worry about. Drinking and lust. No man can match me in these things. I am the god of tits and wine. I shall build a shrine to myself at the next brothel I visit.
You can drink. You can joke. You can engage in juvenile attempts to make your father uncomfortable, but you will do your duty.
A glorious death.
Yes, Your Grace.
I suppose it doesn't really matter which Lannister puts the baby into you. Maybe I'll pay you a visit tonight after my uncle passes out. How'd you like that? You wouldn't? That's all right. Sir Meryn and Sir Boris will hold you down.
There will be no bedding ceremony.
There will be, if I command it.
Then you'll be fucking your own bride with a wooden cock.
What did you say? What did you say?
I believe we can dispense with the bedding, Your Grace. Helen did not mean to threaten the king.
A bad joke, Your Grace. Made out of envy of your own royal manhood. Mine is so small. My poor wife won't even know I'm there.
Your uncle is clearly quite drunk, Your Grace.
Guilty. But it is my wedding night. My tiny drunk cock and I have a job to do. Come with.
How old are you exactly?
14.
Dang, she's young.
Chalk won't make you any older.
Dang.
Stop. Can't. I could, I would.
But your father...
If my father wants someone to get fucked, I know where he can start.
I won't share your bed. Not until you want me to.
What if I never want you to?
And so my watch begins.
No screaming, or she dies.
You were sent here to kill me. So why haven't you?
I don't want to.
What do your captains have to say about that?
You should ask them.
Oh.
Why?
We had philosophical differences.
Over what?
Your beauty. It meant more to me than it did to them.
Will you fight for me? Swear to me.
The second sons are yours, and so is Dario Naharis. My sword is yours, my life is yours, my heart is yours.
Oh.
You really ought to knock.
I brought you breakfast.
She's happy. It is a face. The tree's coming alive.
Don't go out there.
Go back inside. I'll...
It's come for the baby.
No, it's the person that was in the tree.
Stay back! You stay back!
You're gonna die. Killed it. That's cool. Take the knife with you. No, you don't want it. So, the episode, my stomach burns. Well, we got to see more Khaleesi. Which I really liked. We had like 3 scenes for her. And then we got to see Tyrion and I forgot her name. We got to see them get married. And Shay's not mad, which I'm happy about. She's not really mad, but she's not like that mad. I forgot those 2 people existed because they didn't even show them until now. Like, it was like a good couple seasons before this that they weren't even showing up. So I didn't even remember them. We didn't really get to see the one girl with Jon Snow, and then we didn't get to see much of Arya either. Like, comment, subscribe, and join our Patreon.